At this point, the Kardashians are well known for photoshopping their pictures, but now fans believe that Kim is actually photoshopping Pete Davidson's face. But we'll get to that in a moment. For starters, let's talk about the bad Photoshop that happened after the pair went Instagram official. Fans couldn't help but notice a weird discrepancy between the photos she posted on Twitter versus the one that she posted on Instagram. As you can see, for some odd reason, Kim decided to Photoshop a different carpet into the photo. One confused fan wrote on Instagram with a side-by-side of the pics and said, "I genuinely do not know why Kim edited the carpet. Does anyone else know or care to take a guess? Edit. These pics are old. She was not at this hotel when she posted. Also, that should tell you how intensely detailed they are about editing their pics and how they create their images for their curated feed. None of it is real." Kim ended up deleting the photo posted to Twitter, and the carpet change, according to some, is a result of her just not wanting people to know what hotel they were in. As for her latest Photoshop, this one left fans feeling even more weirded out. In one photo, Kim can be seen smiling as Pete tucks his face into her neck. However, in the follow-up photo where they both seem to be staring into each other's eyes, you can see that Pete's face has, well, been edited. And fans actually flooded Reddit with their own theories, with several claiming that she also photoshopped his facial hair to look different as well. In one of the Reddit threads about this, a user said, "Pete is in the Kardashian uncanny valley realm in these pics. Like, I know it's him, but is it?" With another adding, "She edited him beyond recognition. This is insane. Looks nothing like him." With a third adding, "There is definitely some slight Pete yassification afoot here." And a lot of people said that it looks like they used Facetune on him, which is a popular photo editing app, but either way, he definitely was edited to look a certain way. His nose just looks so different, it's crazy. Either way, these affectionate photos come not too long after The Sun reported that Pete has been staying over at Kim's $60 million mansion now for weeks. A source went on to say, "Pete has secretly been around Kim's kids for weeks. He loves hanging out with them and makes them laugh. Kim felt it was time." Despite some people thinking their relationship is just a rebound for her, they are actually fairly serious. She just wanted to take it slow amid her divorce from Kanye. Their relationship has accelerated recently, and he is now staying at her mansion on occasion instead of the Beverly Hills hotel. The source then went on to discuss Kanye's reaction to all of this and added, "Kanye is just having to deal with it. He's not happy, but he needs to accept that she's moved on and Pete is going to be in her life. Kim is careful what she tells the kids and when he comes over, but he's no longer staying at arm's length from the family. She's hoping things calm down a little now that Kanye has stopped his public rants on social media and is taking the time to heal." I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of this though, because that's all the time we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.